Now let's move on to the next form, which is the S form. Now when it comes to the S form, I'd like to think of it as water or wind-like almost. What I mean by that is that the form is flowing from one direction to another. And notice that the opposite sides of the form are straight. So this is to counter this flowy side and to invoke a stable feeling to it. So it's flowy here and stable there. And bear in mind that whether it's the C, S or D, all these forms are asymmetrical. And there is a reason behind it too. We want to make our figures feel as dynamic, as filled with energy as possible to make them come to life. The one thing that I like about this form in particular is that it is very useful when it comes to drawing the figure in a twisting pose. Now one thing I'd like to mention is that I learned all this from drawing the force method way. I'll leave a link to the YouTube channel down below. Please do check it out. You'll be pleasantly surprised, I can promise that. That is all for today. See you on the next video. Peace. On the next and final video, I'll show you how to draw the figure using the D form.